Hello everyone, welcome to Thridify tutorial series and demo videos. Today I'm going to show you how to configure a 3D modular kitchen and also share it with your customers so that they can choose their favorite kitchen, explore it in 360-degree view and experience it in augmented reality to see how that kitchen will look in their home. So let's start. Here we have an account with various products like door, wardrobes and kitchens. I will start with kitchen. Okay, so I will click on the settings icon, which is the customize icon. Okay, so we have the kitchen in front of us. This is the 3D model of a kitchen. I can select any part of the kitchen that I want to customize. Whatever I will select will get highlighted in green. Here in this kitchen, the possibilities to customize are the panels, wall unit, base unit and tall unit, the rolling shutter, the back tiles and the marble top. So let's see how your customers can view it and customize it. Here you can see a couple of links. I will click on this link. This is called the preview link. So you can share this link with your customers and they will get access. They can view the kitchen and can customize and view it in augmented reality as well. So I can zoom in and zoom out to see all the details. I can rotate it and view it from all angles like this by dragging it. Now let me just start by customizing the base unit with different colors. Then let me just choose one of the rolling shutters. I'll choose the darker one. Now let's customize the wall unit with this color. The marble top, though I like this design, but let's choose another one. Okay, I think black one looks good. Now let's try this one also. No, I think the black one is fine. And let's try to customize the back tiles now. Okay. Let's go with this one. Now let's customize the tall unit. So now I've customized everything. Now here you see the button called view in your space. Once you have configured your kitchen, we'll click on view in your space. And if you are logging in from a desktop screen or a laptop, then you'll see a QR code that you can scan from your mobile phones, which will again lead you to the product. When the customer opens the link to the modular kitchen, they will see the kitchen in front of them, the model that they can rotate and explore from all angles. Then they can personalize using different colors. Now as I have tried to configure a kitchen here that I like. I will click on launch AR.